Well, it's snowing. The first snow since 2020, and it is cold. A whopping 19 degrees. So, will I be in the garden today? Nope. So here we are with the Meyer lemon tree in the house, and yeah, so it is still acting a fool, y'all. I really don't know what it's doing. The leaves are still turning yellow. I've picked off several of them because they really look like a fungus, some of them, and then sometimes they don't. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. I'm checking the back to see if there's anything on them. I don't see any insects. So yeah, you know, maybe I should just give it some more time. But I have fertilized it with coffee grounds and a little bit of Epsom salt, and I'm still getting this, so I'm not sure. Yeah, but my largest lemon was here, and it conveniently fell off. So, yeah, I'm not sure. You can see the leaves, some of the leaves that have come off. Look at that. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. The plant is still alive, though. I am pumped up that it's still alive. The calamundin is still alive. It's got a lot of leaf curl at the top. But, you know, I'm doing the best that I can. They're still alive, so there's still hope. The Meyer is blooming still, you know. It's setting buds. So that's a good sign. I know that. That's why I'm not completely freaking out about it. It's just, you know, I want to help it as much as I can, but not sure what to do. Someone recommended, I think it was Angela from Miss Angela's Busy Bees Garden Homestead, recommended that I do cover up the soil or the roots with some soil that were kind of on top of the surface. So I did use some cocoa coir here to do that on both plants. And, but yeah, the calamundin is still dropping leaves like crazy. They're all over the table, you know, it's starting to become bald. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. So anyway, let me show you all what's going on in the grow room. Okay, so this is the first day for the Meyer lemon cutting to be downstairs under the grow lights. I'm gonna you know, give him a chance to, or give her a chance. This is the baby of a she plant. This is Flo's baby. And I'm going to give her a little bit of time to, I mean, I guess it could be a he, right? The mothers birth the babies, right? Male and female. Okay. Anyway, yeah. But I'm going to give him a little bit of time to, yeah, it just seems like I need to call him a him. So I don't know. Help me name this little cutting here. I don't know what his name should be. His mother's name is Flo, and there are meanings to all of my citrus tree, or my fruit tree names. I've given everybody a name, and there's always a meaning or a reason for doing that. And then all the names actually have a meaning, and I pay attention to the meanings of the names. It's very, very important to me. So I actually did a video on that. So if you want to see that video, you can go to the playlist on my channel and check out the fruit tree playlist, and it should be there. But yeah, so we'll give him a chance to get himself together down here. It is currently a little bit over 70 degrees right now, and that's right where I want it to be. I don't want it to be any warmer than that down here because I have the herbs growing. Now, let's talk about these herbs. So I do what I do best, right? And that is when I get busy, I subconsciously, I remember. But consciously, I forget. Or maybe it's the other way around. Anyway, so I taught class this weekend. You know, I typically do that twice a month. and for 20 hours. So it's more than that. The actual class is 20 hours, but my time commitment is more like 45 to 50. So in just 3 days. So I forgot to water them for 2 days. The seedlings are so small that, you know, if the surface isn't wet, then it definitely ain't going to get any water, the roots, because they're so small. So I have watered, but some of them don't look like they've perked up yet. I'm going to give them a little bit more time, but they're definitely laying over. So, oops, right? Seeds still haven't come up in this cup, and it's supposed to be basil. So this is all the basil, and then the oregano definitely suffered. I don't even see the little hair, like, you know, it almost looks like they're completely gone. I think I see one right there coming up. See it? But the rest of them are kind of laid over. The sage has sprouted. This is so fun. The sage has sprouted. So it took about 5-6 days for that to happen. Okay. And so I'm excited about that. But I have plenty of seeds. So if I need to re-sow the oregano or any of them, then I'll do that. But I'm excited that the sage has sprouted. The Tiny Tim tomato is standing strong and actually looks a little bit better. I watered it before on Friday. I watered on Friday. I just watered again today. Just a little bit of water. It has enough water. It looks healthy. I have not fertilized it yet. It's like it just needed that water and a little bit of break from the light maybe. Because I didn't have the lights on for 2 days either. Totally forgot. So to fix that, I'm going to have to buy a timer. There are some timers that you can plug into your surge protector or whatever, your lights, and it'll turn it on and turn it off for you. So I am excited about that. I found one on Amazon for like $10, so I'm going to invest in that. I found another one at Lowe's close to that amount. I can't remember the exact price, but it wasn't that much off. So I'm going to invest in a timer to help me with getting on these lights, but I still have to water. So Letitia, you can do it. You got to do it, right? But overall, everything looks fabulous. Everything looks fabulous. So if you haven't seen the space and you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so pumped up that you're here. Let me know that you're here in the comment section, and I'll celebrate with you, okay? But this is my grow room. It's literally made out of aluminum foil. That's my reflective material, and cardboard boxes. So I do have a pegboard on the top here, or on the workbench. It came with the house. But other than that, cardboard boxes, yep. And literally, it's the packaging that the grow lights came in. Okay, you can kind of see it here and here. The grow lights are full spectrum lights, and I got these lights from Hidden Harvest Grow Lights. He does have a channel on YouTube, so please check him out. And yeah, but this is my grow light setup. This is how everything looks. Okay, and I'm very, very excited about this. My plan, some of you may not know my plan for the seed starters and the back. These are, I think, 72 cell. Yep, 72 cell mini greenhouses. And so I'm going to start my flowers, and I will be starting those sometime this week probably, or the first week of February. So for airflow purposes, I do have a little fan running, and this fan though is only running when the rest of my operation is on, okay, because I have everything hooked to the surge protector. So just to increase airflow, but I do want to maintain the 70 degrees down here. So I did put a little heater, and you can, let me see if you all can see this. You can set the temperature on this thing, okay, and it is set to 70, and and then you just push the middle button so it can turn, okay. But that's it. This is all I got. I already had these things. I didn't purchase them. Look at Little Big Girl Farmer's toy. So I'm just making it work. Whatever I got in this house, so we're just going to make it work. Thank you all so much for watching. And you know I'll talk to you next time. Bye.